In an inspiring demonstration of academic excellence and the importance of science communication, a doctoral candidate from the Medical University of South Carolina MUSC has been awarded a prestigious fellowship. This recognition not only highlights the candidate's dedication to the field of science but also emphasizes the growing need for effective communication in translating complex scientific ideas to the public. The fellowship, which is awarded to individuals who exhibit exceptional promise in science communication, allows recipients to engage in projects that bridge the gap between scientific research and public understanding. This initiative is particularly relevant in today's world where misinformation can spread rapidly and often overshadows factual scientific discourse. This fellowship is an incredible opportunity to not only advance my research but also to ensure that the narratives of science are accessible and engaging for everyone, the candidate stated. Reflecting on the significance of their work. Effective science communication is becoming increasingly vital as society faces numerous challenges from public health crises to climate change. The ability to convey scientific findings in a clear and relatable manner can empower communities and inform policy decisions. The fellowship will enable the MUSC candidate to explore innovative methods of communication, potentially leading to impactful outreach initiatives that engage diverse audiences. As part of the fellowship, recipients are often encouraged to collaborate with various stakeholders, including educational institutions, nonprofit organizations, and media outlets. This collaborative approach not only enhances the reach of scientific knowledge but also fosters a culture of curiosity and learning. Our goal is to create a dialogue that encourages questions and discussions around science, the candidate remarked. Underscoring the importance of interaction in the learning process. The implications of this fellowship extend beyond individual achievement. They herald a broader movement towards integrating science communication into academic disciplines. As more institutions recognize the importance of this field, we can expect a new generation of scientists who are as skilled in public engagement as they are in their research specialties. Looking ahead, the potential for this fellowship to influence future developments in science communication is considerable. As the recipient embarks on their journey, they are poised to contribute significantly to the ongoing discourse surrounding science in society. This initiative not only enriches the academic landscape but also strengthens the public's understanding of science, which is crucial for informed decision-making in an increasingly complex world. As we await further developments from this promising candidate, it is clear that the future of science communication holds great promise for enhancing public engagement with science. In a surprising turn of events, stocks for biotechnology companies Moderna mRNA and Pfizer PFE experienced a notable surge on May 21, 2025, despite the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) announcing stricter regulatory standards for COVID-19 vaccines. This unexpected market response highlights the complex interplay between investor sentiment and regulatory developments in the pharmaceutical sector, particularly in the wake of evolving public health challenges. The FDA's new guidelines require more comprehensive data for vaccine approval, emphasizing the importance of long-term safety and efficacy assessments. This move comes as health officials aim to bolster public confidence in the ongoing vaccination efforts, especially with the emergence of new COVID-19 variants. According to a statement from FDA Commissioner Dr. Robert Califf, our priority is to ensure that any vaccine authorized for use meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. This will ultimately benefit public health and restore trust in vaccination programs. Despite these stringent measures, shares of mRNA and PFE rose sharply, with mRNA gaining as much as 5% and PFE climbing approximately 4% in early trading. Analysts suggest that the market's positive reaction may stem from investor confidence in the robust pipeline of new vaccine formulations and therapies being developed by these companies. Many believe that the increased regulatory scrutiny could create a barrier for smaller competitors, potentially solidifying the market positions of established players like Moderna and Pfizer. While the regulatory landscape is becoming more challenging, it also serves as a filter that may eliminate less capable entrants into the market, said Dr. Lisa Tran, a biotech analyst at MarketWatch. for companies like Moderna and Pfizer. This could enhance their competitive advantage as they navigate the complexities of vaccine development and distribution. Furthermore, the stock price increases indicate a prevailing optimism about the long-term demand for COVID-19 vaccines. With ongoing discussions surrounding booster shots and potential annual vaccinations, both companies are well positioned to capitalize on sustained consumer and governmental demand for COVID-19 immunization solutions. In a related development, BioNTech, another key player in the vaccine sector, announced a significant investment of £1 billion in the UK life sciences market. This strategic move is part of BioNTech's broader strategy to enhance its research and development capabilities and to ensure its readiness to tackle future public health challenges. The investment is expected to create thousands of jobs and foster innovation in the biopharmaceutical sector. As the landscape of vaccine development continues to evolve, stakeholders and investors alike will be closely monitoring the implications of the FDA's new regulations and the responses from leading biotech firms. The recent stock performance of Moderna and Pfizer suggests that while regulatory hurdles may present challenges, they can also create opportunities for growth among industry leaders. Looking ahead, the focus will remain on how these companies adapt to the changing regulatory environment while continuing to deliver effective solutions in the fight against COVID-19 and beyond. In the relentless pursuit of innovative treatments, the landscape of cancer research continues to evolve, dramatically driven by groundbreaking discoveries and enhanced technologies. As the medical community strives to improve patient outcomes, recent advancements offer a glimpse into the future of cancer care. These developments not only promise to reshape treatment protocols but also highlight the interdisciplinary nature of modern medical science. One of the most exciting breakthroughs comes from the engineering of supercharged antibodies, which scientists have developed to target cancer cells with unprecedented precision. According to researchers, these potent new weapons enhance the immune system's ability to detect and destroy malignant cells. This advancement could significantly improve the effectiveness of immunotherapy, remarked Dr. Janet Liu, a lead researcher on the project. The implications of such technologies are profound, as they can lead to treatments that are not only more effective but also have fewer side effects compared to traditional chemotherapy. In tandem with these antibody innovations, the field of radiotherapy is undergoing a seismic shift. A recent study led by a China-born scientist has unveiled that radiotherapy, conventionally thought to simply kill cancer cells, may also inadvertently promote the spread of cancer in some instances. This revelation challenges long-held assumptions and suggests that the effects of radiation are more complex than previously understood. Our findings could lead to new protocols that minimize the risk of metastasis, stated Dr. Wei Zhang, who spearheaded the research. This new understanding could revolutionize treatment strategies, shifting the focus toward minimizing adverse effects while maximizing efficacy. Meanwhile, high-profile cases such as that of President Biden, who has publicly disclosed his battle with prostate cancer, underscore the ongoing challenges in cancer treatment. While Biden's condition is deemed treatable, it remains incurable. This recognition by a public figure brings attention to the importance of research funding and awareness. As millions of individuals grapple with similar diagnoses, it emphasizes the necessity for continued investment in research to discover more effective treatments and potential cures. As scientists work tirelessly to refine existing therapies and develop new ones, an array of strategies is being explored to combat various cancers. The recent article from the Hopkins Bloomberg Public Health magazine outlines 6 pivotal ways in which science is shaping the future of cancer treatment. These include advancements in personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to the genetic profile of individual tumors, and the integration of artificial intelligence to predict treatment outcomes and improve diagnosis accuracy. The convergence of technology and biology is also facilitating the development of novel diagnostic tools. Innovations such as liquid biopsies are emerging, enabling non-invasive testing that can detect cancer early, potentially before symptoms arise. This proactive approach to cancer detection heralds a new era in oncology, where early intervention could significantly enhance survival rates. As we look to the future, it is clear that the battle against cancer is not merely about finding a cure, it is about improving the quality of life for patients and harnessing the power of technology to transform treatment paradigms. The ongoing research and discoveries in this field hold immense promise, paving the way for more effective, personalized, and less invasive treatment options. With each advancement, we move closer to a future where cancer can be managed more effectively, ultimately changing the narrative of this disease for millions around the world. As these developments unfold, the medical community and patients alike remain hopeful for a time when cancer becomes a manageable condition rather than a life-threatening one. In an era where artificial intelligence (AI) is increasingly integrated into our daily lives, the reliability of AI-generated information has come under scrutiny. Recent research has revealed that popular AI chatbots may be prone to exaggerating scientific findings, raising concerns about the accuracy of the information they provide to users. A report from Technology Networks highlights these findings, indicating that while AI has the potential to revolutionize how we access and interpret scientific data, it also harbors significant risks. The issue stems from the inherent design of many AI chatbots, which are trained on vast datasets that include both credible and questionable sources. This duality can lead to the generation of responses that, while sounding plausible, may not reflect the underlying scientific consensus. For instance, a chatbot might present a sensationalized version of a study's results, creating a misleading narrative that could influence public perception and decision-making. The implications of this phenomenon are profound. As more people turn to AI for information, particularly in critical fields like health and science, the potential for misinformation increases. Dr. Andrew Larson, a lead researcher in the study, cautions users must remain vigilant and cross-check information provided by AI tools against reputable sources. The consequences of acting on exaggerated claims could be detrimental. This concern is echoed by findings from The Guardian, which reported that many AI chatbots can be easily manipulated into providing dangerous responses. This vulnerability not only threatens the integrity of scientific discourse but also poses a risk to public safety. In light of these revelations, experts are calling for improved oversight and more robust training protocols for AI systems. Meanwhile, in a related development, Microsoft's latest initiative aims to harness AI to accelerate scientific discovery. By integrating AI into research processes, the tech giant hopes to streamline data analysis and foster innovation. However, as Microsoft pushes forward with its plans, it faces the challenge of ensuring that the AI systems it deploys are accurate and reliable. On another front, atmospheric scientists suggest that AI could be instrumental in enhancing weather forecasting capabilities. They propose that AI could be used to make 30-day weather forecasts more precise, leveraging complex algorithms to analyze data patterns. This potential advancement could transform how societies prepare for and respond to climate-related challenges. As the landscape of AI continues to evolve, the balance between innovation and accuracy becomes increasingly crucial. The revelations about chatbot reliability serve as a cautionary tale, emphasizing the need for transparency, accountability, and rigorous validation in AI applications. Looking ahead, the future of AI in scientific research and communication hinges on the development of more sophisticated models that prioritize factual accuracy while still delivering the benefits of rapid information access. The ongoing dialogue among technologists, scientists, and policymakers will be essential in shaping a landscape where AI can be a trusted ally in scientific discovery rather than a source of confusion and misinformation. In a significant advancement for the pursuit of clean energy, recent breakthroughs in nuclear fusion have reignited optimism that humanity may soon harness the power of the stars. On May 21, 2025, multiple reports highlighted developments from laboratories and research institutions that suggest we are closer than ever to achieving sustainable fusion energy, a goal long regarded as the holy grail of energy production. The implications of these advancements could be monumental, potentially offering a limitless and carbon-free alternative to fossil fuels. Scientists have made strides in controlling and sustaining the conditions necessary for fusion, the process that powers the sun. Fusion occurs when light atomic nuclei combine to form heavier nuclei, releasing vast amounts of energy in the process. According to a recent report from Clentech, researchers are now closer to achieving the critical milestone of net energy gain, where the energy output from fusion reactions surpasses the energy input required to initiate and maintain those reactions. This breakthrough could pave the way for practical fusion reactors that could meet the world's energy demands without contributing to climate change. France is positioning itself as a potential front-runner in this energy revolution. The Farmingdale Observer reports that the country is making significant investments in fusion research, including the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER project, which aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion as a large-scale and carbon-free energy source. French Energy Minister Agnès Pannier-Runacher emphasized the importance of this initiative, stating France could become the first nation to master nuclear fusion, a milestone that would not only enhance our energy security but also contribute substantially to global efforts against climate change. The potential impact of successful fusion energy technology extends far beyond energy production. As highlighted in a report by Marsh, the realization of carbon-free power could transform various sectors, including transportation, manufacturing, and residential energy consumption. This shift could lead to a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, addressing one of the most pressing challenges of our time. The promise of fusion energy is not just about abundance, it's about fundamentally reshaping our relationship with energy, noted Dr. Emily Chen, a leading physicist in fusion research. However, the journey to fusion energy is fraught with challenges. The technology requires precise control of extreme conditions, including high temperatures and pressures, to sustain the fusion reaction. Recent advancements have been met with cautious optimism as the scientific community acknowledges the complexity of the task ahead. Notably, a recent validation of Isaac Newton's theories in the context of modern physics has spurred discussions about the foundational principles underlying fusion technology, as reported by El Adelantado de Segovia. This discovery not only underscores the importance of theoretical frameworks but also highlights the ongoing evolution of scientific understanding in this field. As research progresses, the global race to unlock fusion energy continues to gather momentum. With nations like France leading the charge and laboratories around the world making significant strides, the dream of sustainable limitless energy may soon transition from theory to reality. While significant hurdles remain, the latest developments in fusion technology provide hope that the future of energy could be both clean and abundant, offering a viable solution to the energy crisis and climate change challenges we face today. Looking ahead, continued investment and collaboration will be crucial to realizing the full potential of fusion energy in the coming decades.